What is up, guys? It's Fix and Faming here, and today we're doing a full restoration on this iPhone 5. So yeah, guys, I got this iPhone 5 out of a lot a very long time ago. I'm not sure which lot. I just remember I got it out of a lot. It has no screen, no battery, and it is in the wrong housing. Because when you plug in a screen, it shows up white. So that's kind of weird. So it does work perfectly. iCloud is off. It is sadly not on a rare iOS version, but it is perfectly working. So we're gonna go ahead and restore it. I have this perfect condition iPhone 5 silver housing. Oh, lost a SIM card tray. This housing is in immaculate condition. So we're going to be using that today, and we have a great condition screen to use. We also have the little parts over here that we'll need, and a working battery. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We're going to go ahead and transfer this motherboard into this housing. And there we go, we got the motherboard out. So let's go ahead and let's put it in the new housing. Alright, we have the new housing here. Let's go ahead and let's put it in. And there we go, we have the motherboard in. Let's go ahead and throw the SIM card tray in. And looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and slap the battery in there, put the screen on, and we'll test it out. There we go, we have the screen on and the battery in. Let's go ahead and power it on. Alright, looking good so far. And there we go. Gotta make sure the home button touches the little prongs, because the screen isn't sat down all the way. There we go. Alright, everything seems to be working. Let's go and test the screen out real quick. Yep, screen works. Home button works. Let's make sure the rear camera works. Yep, rear camera is working. Front camera, I don't have that hooked up. So let's go ahead and power it off, and we'll finish this thing up. There we go, got the screen plate on. Let's go ahead and let's throw some adhesive on the battery, and we'll go ahead and install it. Alright, I went ahead and installed some adhesive on the battery. Now let's go ahead and let's install it in the phone. There we go, battery is installed. Let's go ahead and let's put on the battery brackets. Alright, there we go. Everything's installed. Let's give it a quick wipe down. Get all the fingerprints out from the inside. Alright, let's close it up. Get that crunch. And we'll go ahead and power it on. Alright, it's on. Cool, everything seems to be good. Go ahead and test the rear camera. Yep, that looks good. Front camera. Yep, that looks good. Home button. Yep, everything seems to be good. Let's go ahead and let's throw in the bottom screws to finish this thing off. And we're done. So yeah guys, that's it. This once really beat up iPhone 5 has now been fully restored and is ready to be used once again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. Also, go follow my Instagram. I'll have it up on the screen right now and down in the description below. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.